everyone, it's me Imam Saroni. Today at around 3:30 p.m, we will take you on a relaxing afternoon trip around Muntok city. Let's explore some amazing spots and see what is so town has to offer.
Sajauh ning panginditan satebihing leleng kahang heup di mana diri miara mulang tetep kasalira dina tetep unggal juru aya carita nu nyentuh kalbu kagagas ka bayang-bayang saban wayah mawa tenang ku endahna ku asihna.
And we arrive at Bozem Kampung Iklim. Honestly, this place get really crowded in the late afternoon. People love coming here because of the cool breeze, the many local vendors, and the beautiful sunset views. Plus, it's located right by the sea, which makes the atmosphere even better. Now, I'm getting some otak-otak at Nini store. There are lots of food choice here, and they're really affordable, starting from just 1,000 rupiah. I got permission to film, so let's check it out. Nah, while waiting for the otak-otak to be ready, let's grab a drink. This time, I'm getting strawberry pop ice from Burara stall, only just 5,000 rupiah. Actually, it's hard to choose, because there are so many stalls in here, but one thing for sure, everything is affordable and of course, budget friendly. And the otak-otak is finally here. Let's move on to our next destination. Welcome to Batu Rakit Beach. Oops, am I too fast? Let's rewind a little. Once again, welcome to Batu Rakit Beach. Honestly, this place is very beautiful. From the entrance, you can spot plenty of scenic views, local food stalls, and cozy recreation areas. The food is affordable too, but no more snacking for today. Let's just sit and enjoy the beach view. And here we are at Asmara Beach. Honestly, Bangka Belitung is truly a paradise for beach lovers. This place is peaceful and refreshing, with local food stalls, beautiful sunset views, and a relaxing seaside atmosphere. Perfect place for unwinding, quality time, and enjoying nature. Since it's almost Maghrib time, let's take a break, pray, and get some rest before we continue our adventure.